Frank with Stonelink Property Management here at 1150 Victory Highway, Oakland, Rhode Island. It's a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom townhouse style apartment for rent. Starting our video tour on the front entrance right when you walk in. Very spacious living room area. High ceilings, fresh paint. Big windows for plenty of natural light. Front entrance facing the shared porch. Open floor plan here. You got door to the basement for some extra storage. Dining area. Kitchen island. Dishwasher. Brand new cabinets. Plenty of countertop space. Double sink. Gas stove. Built-in microwave. Oversized refrigerator. Off the kitchen. Bedroom number 1. Facing the front of the house. Plenty of closet space there. This could fit a queen set. The half bathroom here with a big vanity. Toilet. Brand new washer dryer. Don't have to bring your own. Got your back entrance here that leads to plenty of off-street parking and a portion of a big backyard. Brand new carpeting on the second floor here. So we make our way up the stairs. Carpeting in the hallway only. Got your full bathroom here to my left. Linen closet in that left corner. Newer shower and tub. Double sink, vanity. Bedroom number 2 right here. This could fit a queen set. Straight ahead, bedroom number 3. This could fit a queen, possibly a king set. Good closet space in that corner. And here, this is the largest of the 4 bedrooms. Could definitely fit a king set. Big ceiling fan. Double closets, plenty of space there. Very spacious. I'd like to apply for 1150 Victory Highway, Oakland, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of the screen. Each adult will want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.